Yo, what is going on YouTube? I am back with an updated video today to show you how to get free lucky spins in Volleyball Legends. This is working in 2026. You're able to get 1,000 lucky spins for free using a Volleyball Legends code. And I spent a long time searching all of the popular websites, trying tons of different Volleyball Legends codes, and I've finally managed to find some that I thought I'd share with my subscribers. So before I show you these Volleyball Legends codes for free lucky spins, make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, most of the codes that I found on Google give you very little in the way of rewards. They may give you like 5 lucky spins if you're lucky. But yeah, the code that I'm going to show you is going to get you 1,000 lucky spins. So use your mobile phone. You can see I'm using an iPhone. You can do this on Android. You just got to head on over to this website, www.crashcoupons.com. So make sure you type it like this, guys. Crash Coupons. You can pause the video and copy the address, but basically if you type it correctly, you're going to be brought to this awesome game code website. As you can see, they actually have hundreds and hundreds of different games. They don't only have Roblox games, they actually have loads of console games as well. So there is a search bar which is going to make you faster finding the Volleyball Legends page. This is the codes page, guys. As you can see, there are 3 verified working codes, yeah, there's only a few codes, but they're all absolutely awesome and they're rated very highly as well. So go ahead and scroll down. This is the free lucky spins code. There's other things like money and gems as well, but this one is going to get you 1,000 free lucky spins in Volleyball Legends, and these codes work in 2026. So you can literally grab the code, redeem it in game, and that is going to give you 1,000 lucky spins. And yeah, this is definitely the fastest and easiest method, guys. Now, these are limited codes. As you can see, there's a limited number of them, so it does stop people taking all of them. You can only do this once, which is understandable. So to unlock your Volleyball Legends code for your lucky spins, click on this button. And all you have to do, guys, is follow the instructions on this screen. It is really easy. Just read the steps here. It basically tells you need to complete 2 of the tasks on this page. So if you scroll down, you're going to have a list of tasks. They're all completely free, and they do take a few minutes each to complete. But yeah, they're basically things like installing mobile apps, answering surveys, playing games. They're all completely free. Follow the instructions for 2 of those, and it's going to send you back to Crash Coupons, and your Volleyball Legends code will be displayed here. You can grab the code, redeem it in game to get your 1,000 free lucky spins. So that is it. Head on over to Crash Coupons. If you have any questions, let me know, guys, but it is pretty easy. Yeah, these are definitely the best codes for Volleyball Legends in 2026. Peace out.